I like to take y'all with me. So let's do it. What's up, YouTube? Yes, sir. It is your boy Witness. And we are back again with another POV with a beautiful S580 in satin black. Such a fire car. Such a fire car. Look at the interior. The camera isn't doing it justice. But man, oh man, there's a white interior busting off the blue, boy. Man, this is crazy. Let me show y'all the back seat. Screens. Well, the screens turn on. Yeah, man, this is a beautiful car. So we are about to go for a little drive. I like to take y'all with me. So let's do it. What is going on to the family, man? It is your boy Witness. And y'all see, I'm back with some luxury today. You know what I'm saying? We did go big S580. As you can see, this car feels like I am a second round pick in the NFL. This car feels like I'm finna go pick up a rich ass auntie. This car feel like I got bills, but I ain't really got bills. This car feel like a yacht on wheels. Okay, all right, bro. As you can see, man, like I said, we are in the S580 2024. Man, this is a beautiful, beautiful car with black on white interior. I'm going to leave the ambient lighting how it is just because it is so beautiful and it speaks for itself. Yeah, man. Hey, how y'all been doing? You feel me? I see y'all liking the content. Y'all enjoying what I'm bringing, man. I'm going to continue to keep bringing variety to this channel. As far as the vehicles, man, sometimes I'm gonna be in something a little quicker. You feel what I'm saying? Sometimes I'm gonna go Bentley. Sometimes I'm gonna go AMG. Sometimes, bro, I might fuck around and put a Tacoma on this motherfucker. Hey, look, just know, bro, just know that this is one of a kind content that y'all are going to see on this channel, man. Like I said, man, I hope everybody is doing good, man. We are coming to an end of summer. We are coming to the end of summer, man. If you have not touched a beach, I highly recommend touching a beach. I'm planning to go to Miami in a few weeks. So, you feel me? My time is definitely due. But, yeah, man, you know, the weather has been good in this state, in Mexico. But I feel like as far as like a real beach, it's time for me to go to it's time for me to go to South Beach. You know what I'm saying? So that is the plans in a couple of weeks, man. As far as what's going on with me, man, hey, bro, I just been putting my eggs in the basket. You feel what I'm saying? I've been working, man. I hope y'all getting to some money. I hope y'all finding a love life. I hope y'all getting in the gym. You did what I'm saying? Hope y'all just being the best you. You know, I know a lot of y'all going to school. A lot of y'all starting school back up, man. Hopefully y'all doing good in that, man. You feel me? Hopefully y'all putting that shit on at school, bro. Like, that's the least you could do. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, back to the car, man. Something about an S580. Some of you guys may not know. Some of you guys may know that S-classes are some of the highest level trims of Mercedes Benz's, and it literally sounds like you're floating on a cloud when you're driving. Road noise is very, very minimal. This is the closest thing you'll get to a Maybach without having a Maybach. So it's beautiful. The sound system is beautiful. Everything. And I don't know if y'all will be able to see this, but you can actually turn, maybe not on this one. Maybe not on this one. Let's see if I'm able to. I don't think I am able to turn on this one, but on some of the other ones, this head-up display or whatever, it turns 3D. So it almost looks like you can reach your hand on the inside. It's so dope. But yeah, man, just look at the steering wheel, bro. Like, you can't tell me this shit don't look like they took bits and pieces from a yacht and put it in this motherfucker. If you had the Maybach sign would be right here. But yeah, hey, man, best believe, man, you see my wrist is empty right now. I'm finna get me a watch or whatever real soon, man. I'm gonna start bringing some watches to my you feel me? So y'all have a little something to look at, man. I'm gonna start putting y'all on this watch game too. I'm telling you, man, this whole channel is about to be elevating your lifestyle. You feel what I'm saying? You about to be able to learn to elevate your lifestyle, be the best you. You know what I'm saying? Bring more to your table. You know, cause just me as a black man, I might be white. You never know. Oh wait, forgot my hands in it. But just me as a black man, you feel me? I want to be the best me. You feel me? I want to look the part and play the part. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. These cars is just another step into being who you want to be. You feel me? Being exactly who you want to be. But yeah, man, y'all let me know, man, how y'all continuously feeling. Make sure y'all thumbs up the video, man. Every thumbs up goes towards more to this channel, man, as far as content, as far as drives, as far as motivation, as far as people it reaches. So I know y'all want to grow with me as y'all following, y'all commenting in the comments, man, and I appreciate y'all. Y'all know that I say it every video, but let's go up, man. You need me? Let's get to some money. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what this say. That bitch say Mufasa. Nah, I think it said manufacturer, because this is definitely a limited edition. This is a limited edition. This is how you turn the TVs on. I couldn't figure it out in the beginning, but you don't have to do that right now. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like the S580 or what? Or what? I know. It's about, we due for a Maybach. Okay, I can hear y'all in the back. We're due for a Maybach. We went Bentley. We due for a Maybach. Maybe we'll go Rolls Royce. Hey, you feel me? Y'all just need to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Matter of fact, turn the bell on. Turn the bell on, because I'm going hard this week. This week, I'm talking about consistent uploads. So y'all just be ready to watch. You feel me? Hopefully, some of y'all might be eating whatever, man. What y'all eating on, bro? Because I'm hungry. I'm starving. Y'all see that Cybertruck? I don't know if y'all can see it, bro. But, man, I'm hungry, bro. I'm hungry. Like, is it just me? You know how being like a YouTube kid or a tablet kid, bro, did y'all have like tablets or something that y'all used to watch YouTube on while y'all ate? So now it's like when you older now, you got to have a show on. You got to have YouTube on. Like, that's me, bro. Like, I'm always watching YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'm always watching YouTube. don't know what to say, man. I just say I love YouTube. And one thing about it, man, whatever y'all is trying to do, you have to study it. So me watching YouTube, man, I'm studying POVs so I can become better. You know what I'm saying? I can constantly become better, gain new different techniques or tactics that will make my videos look even better. And that's why I went mount. And that's why I went and that's why I went you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, maybe I'm talking our heads off. I don't fucking know. I don't know. You know? Yeah. Yeah, me. It's just a good day, man. I just feel like, bro, I'm gonna tell y'all how to really, really like, I'm gonna tell y'all the cheat code to really like have a good day every day. Square one, you have to go to sleep, bro. You're not gonna want to talk to anybody. You're not gonna be energetic. You're not gonna be a people person if you do not go to sleep at night. If you stay up all night and have to get up in the morning, or vice versa, or be in the sun, bro, it exerts a lot of energy to do that. So you have to go to sleep at night, bro. You should be asleep like 11 at the latest, bro. 11 at the very, very latest. 10 is like perfect. You go to sleep at 10, you're A1, you're good. You can wake up at 8. You go to sleep at 10, you can wake up at 8, man. That's more than enough time. You can wake up earlier than that if you want to. But step one is getting good rest. 2, eating right. Bro, you can't go get a biggie bag and expect to feel good. Like, come on, bro. Yes, you got to eat your greens, bro. I'm not talking about them nasty ass green beans out the can. I'm talking about a real salad. You feel what I'm saying? Like, really, really understand what you're consuming, because that's where your energy lies at, bro. Like, everything is in your control. You just have to change the thing that you're doing. Number 3, man, is going to be your outlook. As soon as you wake up, what are you doing with yourself when you wake up, man? Are you grogging? Are you dreading the day that's ahead? Or are you actually being appreciative that you woke up? You know what I'm saying? Like, what are you doing? Because if you're not doing those 3 things, bro, of course you're going to be tired. Of course you're going to be antisocial. Of course you're going to hate life. So make sure that y'all are getting good rest, eating correctly, and being positive. Go get you some sun. Go get you some vitamin C. You feel me? Like, where's the vitamin D? All I'm saying is, bro, listen to what I'm saying, bro. And you're going to be good, bro. Like, I would never steer y'all wrong. Y'all know me, bro. Like, it's witness. You feel me? But, yeah. Probably talking our heads off, bro. But let's just ride. Let's just have a good ride. Let me see. Yeah, we had a cool 13 minutes, little ride along with me. You know what I'm saying? I might not chop this one up. I might just let it. Look, s580 pool. Look, s580 pool. I ain't give y'all no pools, bro. But sometimes, you feel me, I can't cut up in no s580, man. You feel me? I can't. What would I look like cutting up, man? This shit is a limo, bro. This shit is a limo. What do I look like cutting up in this? What do I look like cutting up in this bitch? I want to, though. I'm just playing. I can't do that, man. I can't do that, man. Think about all the CEOs that drive this car. Think about all the professional athletes that drive this car. Think about all the you know what I'm saying, successful people that drive this vehicle. Do you think they're cutting up in it, bro? No. That's what I'm saying, man. If you want to be that person, you got to be that person. I'm that guy, pal. I'm that guy. Feel me? Oh, all right, USPS. But yeah, guys, this is coming to the near of the video, man. I really hope y'all enjoyed this little S580 video, ride along POV as you call it. Like I always say, man, if y'all want it, go get it, go work for it. Also pray and work, pray and work, pray and work. That's all you got to do, man. It's real simple. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Comment something you want to comment. Comment something you want to read. I reply to all my comments. And yeah, man. Y'all be safe. I'm gone. Peace.